There was in old Dabba in a smart times which was by customers all is Dabbas after the five fried food items the lunch plate which cost 50 rupees was a best selling items due to the low price he had many customers and in Raju first one of them.
Hey Ashwin brother, the food that is prepared at your dhaba is really delectable and also fills my stomach. Who makes all these? Hey brother, we are the ones who cook all the items. Whenever we used to cook food, people used to lick their fingers. Oh, good, very good. Keep it up.
Oh god, I keep on rolling flatbreads like a machine from dawn to dusk.
Hey Rani, today our food was being praised a lot. You must be knowing Raju. He was saying that our cooked food is very delicious.
Why won't he praise? He just has to eat and leave.
Oh my dear Rani, why do you get irritated? If the dhaba continues like this, then very soon we will hire a helper. Your work will be reduced.
Last month also you said the same thing. Did anything happen?
It will happen. Don't worry. Just give up your anger, please. Tomorrow I will make all the flatbread and you take care of the dhaba.
Okay.
The next day, Asmat making the plate breads and Rani comes to the counter of the buzz. She has the impressions no much work at the counters, but she was wrong here. Sometimes one customers would call
There is
and
no water
sometimes
in the
two.
jug.
Bringing, sir.
Hey, give some lentils. Hello, give me some vegetables.
Running from one table to another, Rani got tired and you went and sat on
It
the
would be
counter.
better to make flatbreads instead of running all around.
After making plate breads, Asmat comes to the dabba seeing Rani. He had to her.
Hey, please clean this table. Yes, coming. Hey Rani, what happened to you? Please go home and take a rest. I will take care of the work of the dhaba.
Rani comes off out of the bus and go to home. Then she another dabba that bus was also be run by husband and wife. Rani goes to
The price
inside
per
the
plate of meals here is rupees 70 and ours is only rupees 50. Still more people are coming at this dhaba.
Rani eyes fall on the ladies owners of the dabba sitting the counters and counting lost of monies should fully declare with gold. Seeing this Rani.
I too am the owner of a dhaba. I too can wear gold like this.
Rani started telling Asmat.
You know, that lady owner was cladded with gold and in their dhaba they're selling lunch plates for rupees 70. We will also increase our rate.
Hey, have you gone crazy? That dhaba is 20 years old and our dhaba is just 5 years old. If we also keep price of 70 rupees, then no one will come to our place.
I don't know all these things. As much as the right you have on the dhaba, I too have the right on that.
Hey, understand. If the price is increased, people will stop coming to our dhaba. Then what will we do?
Let me find some other solution.
Next day, Rani brought smaller size plates and bowls from the market. Now the size of the plate had became smaller and the size of the smaller bread became smaller. Plate price and vegetables fall also reduced. They started serving food in small plates. Customers could not and understood one plate was not satisfied.
Give me extra flatbread and one bowl of lentils also. Give me some extra potato curry.
So now Rani income started increasing. With that money, Rani buy a gold change parcel and start showing to customers.
See this, within a month I made the gold chain which you could not do till date. Shall I make it for you also?
No, please. I don't want things earned out of dishonesty.
Leave it. But I'm very happy. You will see that within a year I will wear more gold than that lady owner of the dhaba.
All customer Raju almost Tabbas came furiously at lunch times.
Ashwin brother, why did you do this? Hey brother, but what have I done? Today I had my lunch plate at the other dhaba besides you. The size of their plate was bigger than your plate. My stomach was filled with one plate. Whereas at your dhaba, even after paying 100 rupees for two plates, I was not be able to fill my stomach. Why did you act dishonestly? Now I will never come to your dhaba again.
All these things front of everyone, all customers to go went to Dabbas next day to no one come to eat at
Your
Dabba.
greed has destroyed everything. Now be happy and make more gold. What will you do now?
Please forgive me. I didn't know that due to my greed everything will be destroyed.
Now go straight to home and next time don't try to step into my dhaba. My business will vanish because of you.
Rani went house crying. Asmat once again took out his old plates and bowls. Then just he had saw Raju first passing
Brother
by.
Raju, please forgive me. Actually, I was misleaded by my wife Rani. I will never do this again.
After listening to Asmat, Raju felt and decided to eat at Asmat Dabas. After sometimes some more customers joins him now. Asmat will have to work very hard to satisfy customers. Asmat Dabas was start running as so.